So I did a little experimentation today. I cut a hole through my deck and I think this is Kusa board actually. It's pretty rugged stuff. It is certainly not plywood like I was anticipating. So I'm happy about that. What I thought there would be is true. So there is no foam down in there. It's all hollow. Those ribs that run across the deck are in there. I'll show you down in here. They use some, looks like plywood. It's not 2x8s like I was hoping, but it's like that everywhere down in here. That part of the deck is still moist, so I'm gonna have to cut holes throughout the deck here to let it dry out, or I'll probably dry it out with a hair dryer and whatnot. But it will be a lot easier, I think, to refoam this boat, just because of that. That's good stuff to work with, and I feel very confident with it. Get those little plugs cut out, maybe 3 across every so often, get the foam in there, and I'm going to be a lot more happier when I put this boat on the mooring. I'll have the bilge pump, I'll have positive flotation in the hull, and I won't worry as much leaving it on my mooring. So yeah, a little bit of surprise, but not bad at all.